Hey guys, what's going on? Nilsson back with another video, and today we are going to be going to my family reunion. But at my family reunion, what we usually do is we have my whole family comes, like a whole family, and we just chill, play games, eat lunch, and then there's gonna be helicopters there. I think there's gonna be a helicopter there that we all get rides on. Cause last couple years we got rides. I'll pop up some pictures of the last 2 years. But we're gonna be going to that later. Right now it's about 8:30 and it's like an hour and a half drive up north. But we have to stop at our camper first to drop off the boat and get all that stuff set up. So right now I'm just making breakfast for myself. Making some scrambled eggs. I'll see you guys when I have the eggs on. Okay, so apparently it cooks too fast. It literally took 30 seconds to cook that. But yeah, that's what it'll look like. Now I gotta transport it over to a plate and eat my breakfast and get on the road because we're leaving in about 35 minutes. Alright guys, so I added all to the plate. Gotta get my syrup on there. Comment if you guys like syrup on it, because I personally love syrup on it. You gotta just open that bottle up and then just go crazy. Alright, I just finished my food. That was really good. Now what we're gonna do is we just gotta wait for Caleb to arrive. He's gonna be here in 15 minutes probably. Then yeah, we gotta hit the road. Alright guys, I'm gonna prank Caleb. Ah! Oh. Oh. So we're getting on the road now. Got the whole thing packed up. There's Dad. There's Hannah. There's Caleb. Got the GoPro angle. It's gonna be a nice one. Just going to Quick Trip or something. There's Jordy. Get the whole stuff packed up and vote. Everything's ready. We're just gonna get on the road now. Stop at Quick Trip or Holiday. Get some air in the tire because it's really flat. We're watching it on my phone. It's gonna be a long car ride. All tires fixed. Now we're gonna hit the road again. Next stop, Springbrook. Alright, we're pulling up.
I do know that.
Camper. There's my great-grandma's house right there. Here it is. Alright, so I didn't really record that at all, but we got the boat all good. We got everything set up. We're about to hit the road, but we're gonna go look at the lake first. So we just arrived at the lake. This is the dock that we tried to fix up in the last summer. Obviously you can see it didn't work, but we fixed this whole thing up. And then the wheels got stuck in the water, so the whole pole's broke and everything, so we tried to take it out, so that's not good. We gotta do this again. This whole summer is gonna be another. There's the heli right in the field. The one that we were gonna go on. Wasn't it World War II or something?
Vietnam War, I think.
Vietnam War. It was in Vietnam War.
Indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Bless us, O Lord, for these thy gifts which we are about to receive, and them thy bounty through Christ our Lord. Amen.
Time to eat. Alright, we got our food. Pretty nice. Good food here. Yeah, some great food here. Just gonna eat it all then. Later we're gonna play some games and have a fun time. And go on a helicopter ride. It's gonna be pretty sick. Starting the helicopter. Yeah, now they're opening up. That's, so they're opening up. Jeez, look at the ground. goes the helicopter. That was pretty cool. Caleb, are you excited? It's gonna be sick, isn't it?
Yeah.
Are you excited, Dad?
It's like back in Nam.
Yeah. Back in what?
It's like when he was back in Nam.
Back in Nam.
When you were back in Nam.
Flashbacks.
See, now it's super high. Right there. You excited, Hannah?
Yeah, I gotta go laugh.
Okay.
Oh,
It's gonna be actually pretty sick. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go to my GoPro right now since we're about to get in the helicopter. So here we go. There it is! Oh!
feeling lonely, and I wanna admit it's time to end the ride. Fading it too slowly, were those gonna lift me up this time? You were the only one who got me tripping up inside. All the words you told me, am I reading something different from your eyes? See you for a moment, even hope that I can feel you. I see you, all that I wanted was to tell you that I need you. I see you for a moment, even hope that I can feel you.
That's gonna wrap it for there. Make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe. The subscribe button's right down below. But I will see you guys 2 days. Peace out.
Tell me like a Hellcat.